So during our project for conservation biology, we surveyed Mill Mountain Zoo in Ridgeline to check the presence of herpetofauna. We placed 19 coverboards in and around the zoo. 11 were placed inside of the zoo, while 8 were placed at the Ridgeline Trail behind the zoo. During our surveys, we discovered salamanders under our coverboards. The salamanders we found were part of the whorl complex. All were black and exhibited white or yellow spots with a gray ventral surface. Whorl salamanders are terrestrial salamanders, meaning they spend their life outside of the water. Terrestrial salamanders typically live under logs or leaf litter. Whorl salamanders belong to the family Plethodontid. Plethodontid salamanders lack lungs, so they breathe through their skin. Because of this, they need to have a damp, cool environment. Hiding under leaves and logs gives these salamanders places to hide from both predators and from drying out. Salamanders, like many amphibian species, are good indicators of water quality and ecosystem health. They are sensitive to pollution and face habitat loss from both human activity and climate change. Thus, finding these salamanders atop Mill Mountain suggests that this park is providing suitable habitat for these sensitive creatures. When you visit, keep your eyes out, and if you turn over rocks or logs to look, make sure you put them back exactly as you found them. Remember, every rock or log is a home to living creatures. For the second portion of our project, we looked at the Mill Mountain Garden. This is Mill Mountain Wildflower Garden in Roanoke, Virginia. The garden has been almost fully restored to an all-native species by Mill Mountain Garden Club. In its native beauty, its small pond has become home to a small population of wood frogs. Other frogs that can be found here include the bullfrog and green frog. These frogs may have been continually laying their eggs here for years, but have been eaten before hatching by non-native goldfish. These goldfish are being removed, and as you can see, the tadpoles are thriving. Frogs can be a great indication of how healthy an ecosystem is. They are often threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, and predators. As you can see, at the bottom of this pond, there's a thin layer of leaves. While the covering of leaves may not be beautiful to some, frogs and tadpoles need it to survive. It provides cover to hide from predators and algae to feed on. The leaf litter here at Mill Mountain Garden has helped these tadpoles grow, and one day they will return to lay their own eggs here. Isn't it amazing that you can find these creatures right in your backyard? If you would like to get involved, you can become a Frog Watch volunteer. Go to this link below to learn more.